Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 1010, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 1010? What's the symbolism of 1010? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 1010 mean for love? What does 1010 mean for twin flames? What does 1010 for manifestation? How does angel number 1010 affect finances? What does 1010 mean for former relationships? How does 1010 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 1010? What are the weaknesses of angel number 1010? What's the meaning of angel number 1010? Angel number 1010 is a powerful message from the universe encouraging you to focus on personal development, spiritual awakening, and positive thinking. It signifies that you are on the right path and that new opportunities for growth are emerging. The combination of the numbers 1 and 0 reflects the beginning of a spiritual journey, self-leadership, and infinite potential. This number urges you to stay optimistic, trust your intuition, and embrace the future with confidence. It often appears when you're ready to take a leap forward in your life's purpose, affirming that divine support surrounds your every step. What's the symbolism of angel number 1010? Angel number 1010 symbolizes alignment with higher energies and the unfolding of a divine life plan. The number 1 stands for ambition, new beginnings, and self-reliance, while 0 symbolizes spiritual potential and eternal energy. Together, they represent the fusion of material and spiritual realms. The repeating sequence signifies momentum and the importance of moving forward with purpose. Symbolically, it encourages you to maintain a positive attitude, trust the timing of the universe, and remain open to new chapters. It's also a reminder that your thoughts and beliefs are shaping your reality, so align them with your highest intentions. What is the angel number 1010 spiritual significance? Spiritually, 1010 is a call to elevate your consciousness and deepen your connection to the divine. It signals a time of awakening, encouraging you to pay attention to signs, synchronicities, and inner wisdom. The double ones represent spiritual growth through action, while the zeros emphasize divine protection and infinite possibilities. This number invites you to strengthen your meditation, prayer, or spiritual practice and remain grounded as you grow. It often shows up when your spiritual gifts are activating or expanding, prompting you to trust your path and the unseen guidance working on your behalf. What does the angel number 1010 mean for love? In love, 1010 is a positive and transformative number. It encourages open communication, honesty, and emotional alignment with your partner. For those in a relationship, it may signal a deepening bond or the beginning of a new, more spiritually aligned chapter together. For singles, it suggests that self-love and inner healing will soon attract a fulfilling relationship. This number urges you to release limiting beliefs around love and remain open to divine timing. 1010 in love reminds you that emotional connections thrive when you're true to yourself and willing to grow alongside another soul. What does angel number 1010 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, 1010 is a powerful sign of alignment and awakening. It suggests that you and your twin are either nearing union or entering a new, more enlightened phase of your connection. The ones speak to individuality and taking action, while the zeros reflect spiritual completeness and divine orchestration. This number often appears during periods of growth, separation, or reconnection, reminding you that the twin flame journey is spiritual at its core. It encourages both partners to focus on inner work, trust the process, and surrender to the universe's plan for your soul bond. What does angel number 1010 for manifestation? Angel number 1010 is a strong signal that your manifestations are gaining momentum. It encourages clarity, focus, and alignment between your thoughts, intentions, and actions. The presence of 1 symbolizes creation and taking initiative, while the zeros amplify your connection to the spiritual realm. This number reminds you that what you focus on will multiply, so keep your mindset positive and your goals aligned with your higher purpose. It's an ideal time to set clear intentions, visualize success, and act with confidence. The universe is working in your favor. Your dreams are closer to reality than you think. How does angel number 1010 affect finances? In finances, angel number 1010 signals that abundance is within reach if you align your mindset and efforts with positive action. It suggests a time to trust your instincts and pursue financial goals with confidence and optimism. The number 1 encourages initiative and leadership, while the zeros highlight spiritual support and infinite potential. Whether you're considering new opportunities, investments, or budgeting changes, this number affirms that success is possible if you maintain focus and avoid fear-based decisions. It's also a nudge to align your financial choices with your long-term vision and higher values. What does angel number 1010 mean for former relationships? Angel number 1010 signals closure, healing, and the potential for emotional rebirth following a former relationship. It encourages you to reflect on past connections with wisdom and forgiveness, recognizing the growth those experiences brought. The ones promote moving forward and creating new beginnings, while the zeros offer emotional reset and divine reassurance. This number reminds you not to dwell on regrets but to release old emotional baggage so you can make space for healthier love. It's a message of renewal and emotional empowerment, letting you know the universe supports your healing and future happiness. How does angel number 1010 guide your work life? In your work life, 1010 signifies new opportunities and personal leadership. It encourages you to take initiative, embrace creativity, and pursue roles or paths aligned with your purpose. The number 1 symbolizes ambition and self-starting energy, while the zeros reinforce spiritual support and boundless potential. Whether you're seeking a promotion, contemplating a career change, or starting a business, 1010 signals that now is a favorable time to act. Trust your vision and follow your intuition. This number also highlights the importance of balance, reminding you to align your professional goals with inner fulfillment and ethical integrity. What are the strengths of angel number 1010? The strengths of 1010 include vision, leadership, optimism, and spiritual alignment. Individuals influenced by this number are often highly motivated, spiritually aware, and capable of inspiring others. They possess the ability to manifest their desires through focused intention and action. The number's energy encourages resilience during change and trust in divine timing. Its repetition emphasizes clarity, self-belief, and a harmonious balance between material and spiritual goals. 1010 empowers people to stay grounded while reaching for higher wisdom. It supports personal growth, transformation, and courageous decision-making, especially when new opportunities arise that require faith and self-trust. What are the weaknesses of angel number 1010? While 1010 carries empowering energy, its potential weaknesses include impatience, overthinking, or spiritual bypassing. People influenced by this number may feel frustrated when progress is slow or uncertain. The strong emphasis on manifestation and action can sometimes lead to burnout or unrealistic expectations if not balanced with rest and reflection. The zeros may cause feelings of emptiness or confusion if spiritual clarity is lacking. There's also a risk of becoming overly idealistic or detached from practical need. To overcome these challenges, it's important to ground spiritual goals in reality and stay patient as the universe's plan unfolds.